CroatianSoccer.com, live from San Diego, California, where Real Madrid just defeated Chivas Guadalajara 3-0 with a hat-trick by none other than Ronaldo. We asked Jose Mourihno a question from JP on the site if he was the European Zen Master. Are you familiar with ex-Los Angeles Laker coach Phil Jackson? Should we consider you the European Zen Master?
Basketball is basketball, soccer is soccer, and NBA is a special world in the basketball world. So impossible to compare. Of course, I read a few things, and of course, I know such a big coach, but a basketball coach is a basketball coach, and his history is fantastic.
Just know if you guys give us good questions, we're going to ask these guys, we're going to ask all these personalities. Looks like all the Chivas guys are going home right now. That's all from San Diego.